Watching the fireworks from my rooftop.
Cause she's gay.
James being a dork. That was pretty. I'm so deathly afraid that I'm going to slip it. My phone's going to drop out of my hand, though. That's the one thing that's scaring the crap out of me. Yeah, they had all of, when you get off the bridge to the left, like if you were to go toward the Exxon, the Wawa, that whole street was blocked off.
That's because they were setting up for them.
No. This was all day. They had like a bouncy house over there and stuff too. I have no idea what they were doing.
So you know how long it takes to set up for fireworks, babe?
That's pretty.
All the safety precautions and shit.
Yeah, but they had a bouncy house over there too, so they had they had something going on. Maybe it's like a Labor Day thing, I don't know.
Probably.
At the Delaware. Okay, I'm gonna try to sit down on my slanted roof.
Just don't fall off.
Yeah, that would really, really, really suck. Taken with an HTC Evo 4G. That's pretty cool. I love this though, coming out to our roof. It's freaking fun. That's pretty. Was that me or did that look like a heart?
Huh?
Did that look like a heart to you? That last one? So is there anybody else on the roof? I remember the one year there was people sitting over there. My battery's dying. It's picking up the fireworks pretty well. Can you imagine the insurance claim I'd have if I dropped it off the roof? Okay, somebody's screaming.